Hey guys, so Tara here from the Art Gear Guide. I don't normally do these, but this is quite a special unboxing and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm just going to get right into it. You can obviously tell by the title what it is. I can't say who sent this to me. This is somebody who has just very generously sent this to me. Because of all the work they say because of all the work that I've done for the the channel and stuff like that, and I just feel very blessed, and I wish I could tell you so, but I can't. So I have these pencils. I have the full set of these pencils, but I've always wanted, since this new box came out, I've always wanted this box, and it has finally arrived. So let me lift this out, get rid of the big box. So I'm just dumping things all over the place here, guys. Right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Let's get it out of this box. So it is the new Caran 100 set in this gorgeous wooden box. I know some people prefer the darker wood ones, and I understand why. But trust me, I had thought that until I've seen this in person, and it's gorgeous. It really is. It's just gorgeous. So let's have a look and see what's inside. So there's a booklet here about the pencils. There is a swatch that you can do, and then we have the set. So I love the little individual trays. These little individual trays here are just gorgeous. Very easy to pick out. So there's one, this is the second tier. You can see there the colors. The third tier. And the final tier, which, as you can see there, has a colourless blender stick, the Caran stick, and the colourless blender pencils. I've actually done a review on the colourless blenders that are available on the market, not just from Caran, from others, but I'll put a link for that down below if you want to go and check it out. I'm going to do a more in-depth video about this, but I just wanted to quickly scoot over this and show you this box. This is gorgeous. When I first seen this, when it first came out, I did think to myself, oh, you know, I think I prefer the darker wood box, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm completely besotted by it, and I especially love the way these little trays are, where you've got these little handles here. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see here the little gold or brass clips to clip the thing down. And that's it, guys. Like I say, I will do a more in-depth look at this. I'll show you the all the colours swatched out as well. Even though I've done that in the past, whenever the additional 24 set came out, I did a swatch. But I just think that this set on its own deserves a little bit of attention, and so I will do that later on. But I just thought as well, I've never done unboxings, but this is quite a special unboxing, and so I thought, what the heck, I'll go ahead and do this and see how it goes down, and just share the experience with you. I am very lucky. You know, I talk about this all the time on this channel, about how blessed I am in terms of the people who follow me, the people who contribute to the channel, the companies that send out products for me to review. I am so well aware of the fact that I'm incredibly fortunate, and you know, I can't thank you guys enough for all of that, because at the end of the day, the reason I get all these things is because of you guys. It's because of the support that you guys provide to the channel, and subsequently then the companies that send out the products, they know that you guys are going to watch the videos and stuff, so it's beneficial to them. So the whole thing is all down to you guys and the companies, and I can't thank you enough. And like I said as well, the people that help build this channel, the guys that provide, you know, send things like this to me just out of the blue, blow me away, the generosity of people. So thank you so much. You know who you are. And thank you all for watching these videos as well. Bye.